just as I am. Just as I am. I'll bring him down right now, friends. Bring him down. Church people, I want to tell you something. You know, maybe I'm not the most desirable guy in town. And darling, I know there are so many other men that you can have right now. Men who spend more money a week than I'm ever able to count. And in fact, I just want to tell you, darling, that I'm not rich. Baby, just let me tell you that I'm just a poor boy. Oh, but this poor boy really loves you so much. And darling, I got so much to offer for you right now. So here's what you got. Well, take me, oh darling, take me, oh just as I am. Come on and take me just as I am. I want you to take me just as I am, baby, right now. Come on and please take me just as I am. Oh baby, come on, you can. Baby, darling, you can take my arms. Come on, baby, take my legs. Baby, take my heart. Baby, take my soul. Darling, take everything that I got. Baby, take everything that I own. Cause I love you so much, baby. Oh, darling, I need you so much. I love you too much, baby, right now. So everybody in the house tonight, if you can't stand a little soul song, everybody, we want to hear you say yeah. Can you stand a little soul song? Everybody say yeah. Yeah. Thank you.